Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about CSS image gallery. So let's see what is this. CSS can be used to create an image gallery. Okay, so in that case we can create or we can add as much images as we want to, and we can create a gallery with the help of this. So these are the few kinds of images that are available. I am going to use in my website that I am going to create. Okay, so in that body tag, I am going to use one tag that will help me to add the all the images that is available. So first one, I'm going to use the div tag, and inside the div tag, I will use the class name or any class name you want to provide. For example, I'm going to write gallery here. Fine. These are the few galleries tag are available, and inside that, I am going to use the one anchor tag. For that, I am going to use one image. For the target is equal to blanks. So it will help me to provide only that image is available in the blank page. Okay, so these are how you can create it. For that, I am going to use that image that is available, source one.jpg. Fine. Let me run this program, then you will be able to understand how to create. That is how you need to create it. The border now was for that image was blank, and inside that the one image is created, that is image source is equal to 1. So that is how you can create it. You can add as much images you want to. You can add the div class for all the images like that. And again, you can add the class name. Again, we will use the class name, that is the any name you can provide it. And after that, you can provide the description of that particular image. So now on screen, you can see that this is the first image you are going to write. So now on screen, you can see that you can also provide a description like this. The second thing, again, we need to do the same thing for the another image that we are going to create. Just copy paste that same thing and change the image size. Now on screen, I have added all the 5 images that are available. Once I'll run this code, then you will be able to see all the images are available over there. But you can see the size of this particular image is not same. We have to make some changes in that. So I will provide the width for all the images and height of all the images that is available. Okay. So the same height and width I will provide for each and every. So now on screen you can see that all the images are of the same height and width. Again, I am going to write a style. So I will be able to make it more, I will able to enhance all this particular images that is available. So it will start looking like a normal gallery that is available. Fine. So div.gallery bracket, and we'll able to design all the margins and padding for all this available. So margin I will provide for 5 pixel. Border I will write as 1 pixel. Fine. And then I will write solid 1 pixel solid black. Okay. And then we'll write a float should be left, and then width 180 pixel or something I will mention. Yeah. So these are the kind of features I have mentioned. This is available. Now I will add more styling. This is the normal styling I have used. This is the normal how gallery should be, but we have to enhance it now. So we will provide more kind of things. Let me change the color. I will change it to the gray. Again, I will add some hover effect for this, right? So it will help me. If you move the person to this particular image, it will make some changes. Fine. So I will add the hover effect border for the border. 1 pixel solid or like 2 pixel solid and any color. For example, I am using black color. Fine. So this is the hover effect I am going to use once you move the cursor to that particular image. Okay. The next thing we are going to use is div gallery image. For the image, what is the size, width of that image I will provide. So for width, I am going to write in 100 pixel or 100, okay, 100% full image width we want. Okay, so that we will do. Or height according to the auto height we will provide, or the normal height should be for the all the images that is available. Okay, these are the few kind of things I added for the gallery. Now I want to change some for the description. So for description, I will use the padding. Okay, that is 15 pixel. I am going to use it there, and then I will use the text align should be center. Inside the center, image center should be there, the text align. Okay, these are the few details I have mentioned. I hope you understand how to do that. Now on screen you can see that everything is coming properly, but the alignment is not proper. Okay, so but you can see whenever you're moving the cursor, the border is getting changed. Now on screen you can see that. These are the few kind of changes I have mentioned. So height I will change, or I will try to do height as 770 pixel. Fine. Okay. Now on screen you can see that 70 pixel, and hover effects is available as I added hover effect there. So these are the kind of way you can create the different kind of details you want. This is one of the easiest way to create. Once you'll pause this particular program, and you will be able to see how to do that, and once you try at your home too. So you can pause this video and learn all the paragraphs or all the details I have mentioned here. So wherever you, while using the keyboard also, if you change this particular course, you will be able to do that. So let me write image here, and then I will save. See, there is no hover effect, but here I have added the hover effect. See, if you'll move it, you will be able to see where we are moving. So these are the details. That's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to CSS. Thank you so much.